Okay, here we go, another day, another house. We're in the kitchen on the front door. There's a lot of sinks, a lot of fridges, and a lot of stoves for a lot of guests. Okay, over here is bedroom number 2, right here. There's a bed, and right here is a walk-in closet. It's carpet. For storing people's clothes and things. Okay, so that add more stuff to this room. Back into the kitchen. Now we're coming out to the living room. There's a wood-burning stove. So that'll paint in here. And to the right of that, we have the toilet room. Paint in here too. There's the sinks and the toilets. Not much privacy at the toilets. I have to build in privacy. And then this is the shower bathroom. The 3 showers. And I have to add towels. And here's a bathtub in case somebody wants to take a bath. I could add a privacy fence or something. Anyways, there's the toilet room coming back into. And we're going out to the living room. It's a beautiful picture. I like that picture. And this lamp. Nice and like an antique. See with this light up here. There's the clock, the digital clock. Here's bedroom 1. Small bedroom. I added a microwave, hot water heater thing, sink, and a stove. There's some nice little things with the bed. Going back out now to the living room. And now I'll light this fire. See if it lets me. Here we go. And there's the fire in the wood burning stove. Let's get back so you can see it better. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.